Hello and welcome to the Daily Message. Today I'm continuing the theme of equality as it's found in the authentic letters of St. Paul. And today I want to focus on a few verses from chapter 11 of the first letter to the Corinthians. Let me read them first. Now in the following instructions I do not commend you, because when you come together, it is not for the better, but for the worse. For to begin with, when you come together as a church, I hear that there are divisions among you. And to some extent, I believe it. Indeed, there have to be factions among you, for only so will it become clear who among you are genuine. When you come together, it is not really to eat the Lord's Supper. For when the time comes to eat, each of you goes ahead with your own supper, and one goes hungry, and another becomes drunk. What? Do you not have homes to eat and drink in? Or do you show contempt for the church of God and humiliate those who have nothing? What should I say to you? Should I commend you? In this matter, I do not commend you. So what is Paul talking about here? Well, in the earliest days of the church, it was the custom of those who gathered for the Eucharist, for the remembrance of the Lord's Supper, to have an actual meal after the celebration of the Eucharist. And so everyone was expected to bring their own food. The expectation that Paul had is that it would be kind of a potluck, that everyone would bring their dish and everyone would be able to eat from everyone else's dish. That's not what the wealthier Corinthians were doing. They were bringing their fancy food, and then when it came time for the meal, they were not sharing their food with those who were poor. Paul criticizes the Corinthians for this practice because, as he has said in other places, in Christ all are one. And so he's trying to scold the Corinthians for not practicing social equality, socioeconomic equality, if you will. Those who are poor and those who are well off, are equal in the sight of the Lord because of our common baptism. And so therein lies the message for us, that there should be no distinctions on the basis of income or race or gender or anything like that. In Christ, all are one. Thank you once again for watching.